even got my silk poppy shirt on. I'm ready. She ready. Hey guys, happy spring, happy International Day of Happiness. What better day to talk about courting Coco than on the first day of spring, an International Day of Happiness. Spring has officially sprung, so it's time for all of us inside season representatives to dust our shoulders off.
Ladies is pimps too, go on, brush your shoulders off.
And go outside. Before you dive into thought weather dating protocol, if you've been inside all winter, you might want to take a few steps to make sure that your game is still on point. So I'm going to need you to dust off, this is a lint roller, but y'all get the point. Dust off that little black book. I need you to clean out your contacts list. Delete them text messages, boo. You can't bring that back. We're skipping bayback season this year, okay? Just swipe and delete, okay? Just swipe and delete. The same way you clean out your closet, I'm going to need you to clean out your contacts list, okay? Same 3 categories, honey. Keep, donate, toss. If you think they might be a good look this summer, keep them. Why not? We're not selfish over here. We believe in charity. So maybe they don't work for you, but I'm sure you know a nice girl or a nice guy who could use, you know, a referral. Send them their way. Donate. And if you know there ain't nothing good there for you or for me, wait, to the left. This, my left, your left. Whatever. Throw them away, okay? This International Day of Happiness, I am remembering exactly why I am still single. And it's because I'm so damn happy. I am so happy. Sometimes the price of happiness is singleness. Even I don't believe that. Whether you are dating, already in a relationship, don't want to be in a relationship, just got out of a relationship, whatever. Your happiness is completely up to you. You can't really rely on nobody else to give you happiness. But if there's somebody bringing you unhappiness, bye-bye. They gotta go, okay? The price of happiness is being unrelenting when it comes to your peace and your sanity, but also understanding conflict resolution. People will come into your lives with all their experiences, with their childhood, with how they were raised, with their family ties, with the way that they resolve problems, and the way that they receive and show love. And so nobody is going to be a cookie cutter perfect example of what you're looking for. You can't go into situations thinking that you're going to find that. Otherwise, you're going to end up single forever. Okay? Forever. It's not okay. It's not okay. So you can find happiness within conflict resolution. But it's just being unrelenting about those deal breakers. You know? Like people who don't shower. That's a deal breaker. People who lie. That's a deal breaker. People who don't like bun. That's a deal breaker. Actually, that might work out because I don't have to share. So for this spring season, let's focus on happily dating. Let's focus on being open and honest about what we're looking for. Let's focus on happily dating and enjoying ourselves in the moment. Let's focus on racking up them numbers and going on dates every week. Speak that into existence, baby. Let's focus on frozen drinks, tacos, guacamole. I'm very hungry right now. Let's focus on rooftops and crop tops and short hair and pink eyeshadow. Let's focus on white toes, shaved legs, shaved armpits, and deodorant. Okay? Let's focus on resolving our commitment issues because I'm going to go ahead and say it out loud. I have commitment issues. I have issues with strict guidelines. Like having to call someone at certain times every day or just having to call someone every day in general. I'm not a player, I just crush it. this spring, let's focus on clearing the air, getting the dust and dusty people out of our lives, and moving on to clean, fresh peace, happiness, love, and good times. Okay. I just feel like spring is about renewal. It's about cleaning, cleansing, and starting over. And that's exactly what you should be doing with your dating life, especially if you are single. It's a great time if you just got out of a relationship, if cuffing season didn't work out for you, if you've been sulking all winter. Dust off them tears. Dust off that t-shirt with the holes in it. Dust off them grandma panties. Come on outside, sis. Come on outside, bro. We gonna do this. On International Day of Happiness, I wish you all the happiness, whether you're single, in a relationship, married, engaged, having fun, doing whatever. I wish you all the happiness. I wish you peace and love. And I wish you good weather wherever you are in the world. Remember, love may hurt, but do you want to cry in your house or you want to cry on a rooftop in Miami? I'll see you there.